Hi, my name's Xteen. I've challenged myself to cook something different every day for 30 days. Today is day 22, and I gotta be honest, I'm tired. So we're gonna keep it nice and simple. I'm going to make a zucchini grilled cheese, but with a little twist. I'm going to make a gochujang zucchini grilled cheese. So it's gonna be a little spicy. I'm not the most knowledgeable person about gochujang. I feel like it's having kind of a moment right now. It's Korean, I believe, and it's a hot pepper paste. I had a gochujang cocktail at a bar near me several months ago, and I very much enjoyed it. I also like that over here it just says serving suggestion. This is going to be a fun and easy recipe. I hope you're ready for fun. I know I am. Let's get started. Okay, as you can see, this is a zucchini, and I'm going to shred it using my box grater. Good enough. I'm going to salt the shredded zucchini and put it in a bowl for now. Next, I'm going to shred up some of this Tillamook sharp cheddar cheese. I like this brand because they don't use animal rennet, so it is vegetarian, and you know for sure because it says so on the package, which is nice and gives me peace of mind, which I need. Okay, and now that the zucchini has been sitting in the salt for a few minutes, I'm just gonna take a paper towel and blot out a little bit of the moisture. Just squeeze it out. I guess it's not really a blot, it's more of a squeeze. Just a little bit of that wetness. We're almost ready to assemble the grilled cheese. First, we need to mix the zucchini with the gochujang paste. Okay, so this is what the paste looks like. It's a beautiful color, honestly. I'm going to use a tablespoon of it, which might be insane, I don't know. Ooh, look at that. Mmm. Looks great, smells great, am I right? Okay, you can't smell it, but. Okay, bread. You need bread for a sandwich. I'm going to pile on some of this cheddar first onto both pieces of bread. Okay, so that all this cheese doesn't fall off when I try to put one half of the sandwich on top of the other, I'm going to do something a little crazy and toast one half in the skillet for a second while I pile the gochujang onto the other half so that this cheese gets a little melty on the top side, and then it will be easier to sandwich and also will aid the melting process during cooking later on. Okay, I might fit all of the zucchini. This is a whole zucchini going onto this sandwich. If it works, could be huge, both literally and figuratively. I just feel like this is gonna be a feat of engineering. Okay, let's get it in the skillet. I'm using this plant-based butter again because it's what I have in the fridge. About a tablespoon of butter. I'll tell you what, I'm not worried. I am not worried. Easy breezy, beautiful gochujang. Oh no. Nobody has to know. Okay, so it got a little smoky in here. It happens. Oh! It's gonna be so messy, but I'm excited and delighted. Let's try it. I love this. I'm really happy with this. We took some risks, and they paid off. I feel like if you're somebody who's not big into vegetables, like you just think they're boring, slather them in some crazy sauce, like the gochujang, and then they're not boring anymore. They're just sort of a vessel for delicious sauce. That's my tip. Also, the cheese is really good. The bread is toasted to perfection. This might be my new thing.